Hello everyone. So today it was a bullish day and a very big bullish candle has been formed. The very first candle itself for the day on a 5 minute chart was a bullish candle, bullish hammer, which was very much against the past two candles of bearish nature. And I was very much skeptical to take trade on the downside, but as soon as the hammer broke, I went ahead and changed my stance from being bearish to being bullish. However, at a very later stage, at around 1 o'clock in Nifty, I think when Nifty was trading at around 21,665 or something, 660 or 665, I think I went ahead and depending on the open interest data, that is option chain data, and the uh, past two candles, I went ahead and initiated a downside trade with 21,650 PE, 21,600 PE, and unfortunately, it did not go my way, and I booked a small loss today. But ultimately, I think this is a very good indication that we are still in the uptrend and looks like the end of a retracement phase. So, from tomorrow, I think I'll be more interested towards going ahead with a bullish side trade if the conditions are favorable for us. So before we start, there's a disclaimer. All the views expressed in this video are based on personal analysis and does not mean any buy or sell recommendation. Any buy or sell decisions or any investment decisions need to be taken after consultation with financial advisor. Even the mutual fund houses do not guarantee returns, and they mention subject to market risk. So trading and investment in stock markets is risky, and viewer discretion is appreciated. Now, what I'm sharing with you all is a Nifty chart on a daily time frame. This is the spot chart. As we can see here, after two bullish candles, we have a sorry, after two bearish candles, we have a bullish candle here, and this looks like more of a buyer dominance, I would say, because after the last two candles, it was very much likely that 21,500 would get broken, and if that would have happened, we would have seen a further downfall. But there was a market gap up opening, and the gap up sustained as well as the bulls carried on with the trade. And if we see the 15 minutes chart, we can clearly see the very first candle that was bullish, and as soon as this the highs of this bullish candle were broken, I think the bulls were totally in control. We saw a slight downfall after 1 o'clock. That this is where I think I had taken a trade, yeah, 665 or at around 665, and initially it went in my favor, but ultimately being an expiry, I think with all the closing and the time decay, I think I was not able to end into a profit, so I booked my losses today. I didn't trade Bank Nifty because I thought Nifty was more preferable to trade. Bank Nifty, however, was very bullish, totally bullish. I think the way it started after it broke the first the highs of the first hammer candle, it continuously went up and then consolidated. Then this phase again here it went up, and again after this consolidation, this is where I had initiated a trade for after this bearish candle. I think I had initiated a trade with Nifty because Nifty has four or five banks. Nifty 50 companies have 4 to 5 banks. So if Bank Nifty drops, it is definitely going to impact Nifty, right? There's a ripple effect, and because of this, I went ahead and initiated a trade on Nifty. Being an expiry, I was expecting a quick move till here for Bank Nifty, and in turn for Nifty as well. But that did not happen. After after a few down moves, I think we again saw strong buying, which clearly indicates buyers are strong, and the longer trend, which is the uptrend, is still intact. So for tomorrow, if we have to trade this, and there's one more interesting thing I would like to show with respect to the daily candle, right? So this is the daily chart we have, and currently I have hidden all the drawings. So as you can see here, this was the support that was taken on the middle of the channel, the day before yesterday, and yesterday this support was broken, and we had analyzed that this being a evening star pattern, and this was an evening star pattern day before yesterday, and this was kind of a confirmation for that. And once this low was broken, we were expecting the price to go down to further levels of 21,311 actually. But currently, as we can see, today there was a gap of opening, and the bulls came back stronger, and we are again back to the close is again above the uh, trend line, the middle trend line of the channel. So now there is good possibility and good likelihood that the Bank Nifty and Nifty will test these channel tops again. So similar channel exists even for Bank Nifty. So let me quickly go through that and show it to you. So as you can see here, this is more uh, det this is more of a buyer dominance candle. If you can see here, exact like the seller dominance we saw day before yesterday, and yesterday there was a pullback from buyers. So today there was complete dominance by the buyers, and I think we are back in the channel. So yesterday it closed slightly below the bottom of the channel, and we were certain that it may touch the levels 47,311, but with this turnaround, I think we now are looking at new highs to be tested in the coming trading sessions. Uh, till uh, till budget session, I think this channel may continue the way it is, and tomorrow we can see new highs after not tomorrow new highs, but tomorrow we can see a good rally or a good up move if today's highs are broken. So let's see how we can trade this tomorrow. Back to Nifty now, 15 minutes chart. So this is the bottom of today, and this is the top. So 21,688 is 21,685 actually is the top for today, and 21,688 is the level I would be interested in. If this level breaks, I will be interested to initiate 21,700 CE, or maybe 21,800 C, looking at the market condition, because it seems like the bulls are in total control. So we may see even the levels 21,833 being retested in the coming trading sessions. Tomorrow being Friday and today being Nifty expiry, the volumes will be little lower. Plus, being the last day of the week, tomorrow the weekly candles will also tell us how what the picture is. Currently, it looks like it is a bearish candle, but somehow I feel this might turn into uh, indecision candle or a small uh, bullish candle tomorrow. So let's see how things work out. If today's highs are broken, which are I think in line with yesterday's highs, I think then we have a good chance for another bullish day for tomorrow. So if I have to trade Nifty on the up, I will be interested to trade after a 5-minute candle closes above 21,688 levels, and if that happens, uh, I'll be going ahead with a CE side trade. As for the downside, I think I'll hold on to the down move trade right now, because the past 2 days I have been very much bearish, based on the price action and based on the open interest data. But somehow it seems like the overall trend bullish, that is still intact, and the downside will only start once there is a daily candle closes below 21,500. So I think I'll hold on to bearish trades for now. My view today is totally bullish towards the market, and if I have to be bearish about it, I need a candle close below 21,500. Till then, I would consider the longer trend, the uptrend, to be intact, right? So we may see newer highs, 21,834 3 tested, and even 21,900 and 22,000 also in the coming trading sessions. So that's how we can trade. Once 21,688 gets broken, we can go ahead and initiate a trade on the buy side. As for Bank Nifty, let's go on to the 15-minute chart to see how we can trade tomorrow. So Bank Nifty, I think it is a very good price action that is being seen. So you see here the down move, then there's a consolidation, then again down move, and then here the up move starts, right? So there is this uh, bullish piercing candle, then following it, there is a series of bullish candles, then again a retracement, then bounce back, then consolidation, and then finally for today, this was the first candle of the day, which was a bullish hammer. And once this highs were broken, there was never looking back, and the bulls were in total control. So now this level 28060 is a crucial level for me on a intraday basis. So if tomorrow the market opens flat or opens gap up and sustains about to 48 to 88, then I would be interested to go ahead with a buy side trade, 48 300 CE, or maybe 48 400 CE, or 48 500 CE for that matter, because the expiry will be after 3 4 days, right? So we can account for that 3 4 days price, and we can expect the market to rally till 200 points or 250 points roughly, which takes it to 48 500. uh, However, I don't suggest carrying forward positions overnight. So even if you go ahead with a 48 500 CE, after it sustains above 48 288, then try to exit the positions at the end of the day, because of many other reasons, like there is macroeconomic factors like wars are going on. There are economic policies, rate hikes, and other things that can affect the market. So even if the market today looks bullish, if tomorrow some unfortunate bad news or anything comes, then we may see a gap down opening, and the the market sentiment may turn negative, right? So I don't suggest carrying overnight positions, but if you want to, or if I have to trade it, if the price sustains above 48 to 88, I would be interested to go ahead with even 48 400 or 48 500 C for that day, right? And if I have to initiate a downside trade, then I will be interested to do it only after the price sustains below 48,060, that is 48,055 for that matter. And since there is a 48,000 psychological level next, which may act as support, so I would be interested if the price breaks and sustains below 48,000. So if that happens, then I'll initiate a 48,000 PE, or 47,800 or 47,900 PE trade for tomorrow. Another reason why I say that bullish a trend may continue for Bank Nifty is because of this particular trend line. If you see this, there's a down move, then there is this down move, followed by this one, then down, and then this, and then this particular trend line has been tested multiple times, and it has broken out today. Though it is the last candle, then that is the reason why I say if the price has to sustain above 48 to 88 in order to have a confirmation that yes, this particular trend line has been broken, and in that case I will be interested to go ahead with a buy side trade. If this is a false breakout, then in that case, if the price comes down within this, I mean below this trend line, I would be interested to see how it uh, plays at 48,000, 48,000, 48,055 levels. And after that, if it sustains below 48,055 and below 48,000, then I might go ahead with a uh, downside trade to a very close target of this trend line, because again 47 910 911 is what the target would be, my first target. And this trend line again has been tested multiple times, and if it gets tested tomorrow, there is a high likelihood that the trend line might get broken, and we can see a further downfall. So my trade decision would be depending on tomorrow's price action. but all in all, I think it's going to be a bullish day for tomorrow. So that is how we can trade Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you guys have any feedback, if you guys have any inputs, like in terms of any questions or anything you want to know about stock market analysis or that buy or trade decisions, do let me know. I'll try my best to answer your questions. And do like, do share this video. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed to it. And as I always say, as part of my video, trading in stock markets is risky. So trade with the money that you can afford to lose. Uh, there is no shortcut to making money in stock market, but over time, if you are very much disciplined and if you are making improvements, then in that case, you may book very good profits. And losses are part of stock market, so don't fear losses, but ensure that losses are minimum, right? So that's it, and thank you for watching. Take care.